Well, I got a lot of the motor together. It's got the 823 casting LS3 heads that I ported. And it's got the pack 1219 valve springs in it. It's got the LS3 GM intake, the eBay special 92mm cable throttle body, Jegs billet fuel rails. It's got the Summit Racing 600 lift stage 2 turbo cam. It has a 05 and up Corvette water pump to get this shorter because the car's so short. Corvette balancer, just stock pistons and rods and crank that I regapped the rings and had the crank polished because it had been scratched up from a lifter failure. LS7 lifters, it has stock push rods, stock rockers, stock head bolts I reused. I torqued them to 70 foot-pounds, I believe. So I just got to finish porting the other head, and then that motor will be together. And then now I'll show you what I've done with the rear end here. So this is how it was mounted over here. This bar mounted way back behind the axle center line for some reason. I guess just to not have to mess with the floor pan. And the factory floor pan, as you can see, stopped right here. So now I built this box, which is going to raise the floor pan up. And see how this had just no adjustment at all, just one bolt hole. This is going to have 3 adjustments now on the upper control arm. And I moved the control arm to right above the axle center line here, and then move this point up a little bit so this angle is a little higher than what the other one originally was. And then I cut this cross member out here so the rear end could go up in the car higher, because I'm wanting the car to be as low as possible on these big 325 50 drag radials. So anyway, so that's what I'm going to do. It's going to cut into my floor space, but that's probably going to be a little back seat for 2 of my kids. But anyway, got that done. It's all just tacked together, so I got to cut this one off the frame and move it the same way this other one is, and then finish weld everything. And then I got to do the lowers, because the lowers, I'm wanting to make them more adjustable too and move them to a different position. So anyway, that's what I've been piddling with here, sorry. So slowly getting somewhere.